Little Giuseppe's Marketplace with Vinny, who's gonna create something pretty cool today. This
Lily,
is different.
We're doing pinwheels, flank steak. We just cut it in half. Meat mallet.
Yes!
So you get all your aggression out here on this piece of meat. A little bit of olive oil, some garlic, right? We like garlic here.
Yeah, I love garlic.
Parsley, pecorino romano. Watch this, Lily. We're gonna roll it up. Put that to the side, and we're just gonna rinse and repeat right now. We're gonna do the same thing. Now we're gonna leave that one there. We're gonna put that one there, seam side up. We're going right through here. We're going right through here. Okay, nice and easy. And we're done. We're gonna cut right through the skewers now. Look at this.
Look at that.
All right, so now we're gonna grill these up. So before we grill them, I'm just gonna hit them with some olive oil. Lily, I don't know, what do you think? These look pretty good to me,
Those
right?
look fantastic.
Right? It's got a little tomato arugula salad going over here, right?
I like that.
So we got some beautiful heirlooms. We're gonna just cut these in all different kinds of ways.
Yes.
A little of this, a little of that, a little bit of extra virgin. We're gonna just squeeze a little lemon juice on here, right, for some acid. We got some Parmigiano Reggiano flakes. This is the real stuff.
Perfect
Look at that.
summer meal right here. Good job.
Thank you.
If you'd like to find the recipe, head to our website, news12.com. It'll be there. Thanks, Vin.
My pleasure as always.